Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the home screen style on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on home screen and lock screen. Under home screen, you will find all the home screen settings on your Oppo phone. For now, just tap on home screen, and from here, you can change the home screen settings on your Oppo phone. Now currently, app drawer is enabled on your Oppo phone. If you select standard, then tap on apply. Now from here, just select switch. Now as you do that, you will disable the app drawer on your Oppo phone. And if you want to enable the app drawer back on, just go to home screen and select withdraw. Then tap on apply. Now just select switch. Then once you do that, you will enable the app drawer back on. And this is how you can change the home screen style on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.